Onboarding, so when you're in the ship, you'll be taught from a computer here all the basic movement and core mechanics of the game. As well as that, you'll find some NPCs in around the planets which can give you advice on how to do certain tasks as well. And all of this will be stored in the book, which is a menu where you can gain any of this information if you so need to.
We also want to have a heavy impact on the story. So we're hoping to create a branching storyline where the player's choice of which planets they choose to go to has a big impact. And the main way that the story will be told will be through the NPC's side quests and interactions with them on the ship. The main story arc will be about the main player, the main character, trying to escape from a black hole and escape back home using scavengers materials. So obviously we've talked a lot about the characters, so we're hoping to have the side NPCs and side characters be able to give quests that can help you gain extra rewards and materials and potentially rare materials. But there's also some NPCs that will lead you into traps and fake quests where you'll be potentially ambushed by large amounts of enemies, but the rewards will be greater for that. We also hope that our main character will be almost like a stoic character such as Doom Guy, but have a similar design to Gordon Freeman from Half-Life.
Control mapping. The keybinds will be similar to the likes of other popular FPS games with WSD to move, spacebar to jump, etc. This gives newer players a familiar sense, or this gives new players a good starting point for keybinds, as well as older players giving them a sense of familiarity with keybinds. As well as that, keybinds can be modified in settings if anyone wants to change certain keys. The user interface will be quite simple with only a hotbar, armor, shield, and a taskbar in their respective corners, which will look something like that. As well, there are examples of what it will look like with the inventory open as well as the menu open. The camera, since it's a first-person game, will be stuck in first person. This is also done not to break the art style, as the enemies and weapons will be 2D models in a 3D background. So this is what the player will see, and this is sort of what it looks like. And the art style will be reminiscent of the likes of Doom and Quake with their 3D environments and 2D enemies and weapons. And with examples of levels could be like Zen from Half-Life, with a planet in space with lots of armor and ammo scattered around the place for the player to collect.
The game targets players between the ages 13 and 35 who enjoy immersive sci-fi survival challenges and open world exploration. Fans of games like No Man's Sky, Subnautica, and Starfield will be attracted to the game's mix of freedom, creativity, and rich storytelling, which are Civil War Online.
Thank you for listening, and any questions?